Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Environmental groups ask PNG investors to vote against CEO as board chair. New York Reuters environmental groups are asking Procter and Gamble NYSE PG core investors to vote against re-electing its chief executive as board chair, and also opposing to other directors at the annual meetings next month, according to Leaf Filling that claims the company used too much virgin wood pulp in its paper products. Environmental not-profits, including the Natural Resources Defense Council (NRDC), have targeted the maker of Bounty paper towels and Charmin toilet paper over the last few years, and are also calling on the consumer's product company to clean up how it sources palm oil from tropical rainforests. NRDC, Friends of the Earth, and the Rainforest Action Network now want investors to vote against CEO John Mueller as chairman of the board, according to the United States Securities and Exchange Commission's SEC filing. They also oppose corporate directors Angela Bradley, chair of the Governance and Public Responsibility Committee, and Patricia Wurst, a member of the committee. Investors are set to vote on the re-elections of PNG corporate directors at its annual meeting on October 11. In the filing, the environmental groups request replacing Mueller with an independent chair, a structure some investors prefer. PNG actions have been insufficient to mitigate deforestation, the filing said, adding that the company's leadership team lacks the skill, perspectives, and expertise to deal with the environmental risk it faces. PNG didn't reply to requests for comment. The environmentalists have been prodding PNG to make change on first try for several years. These proposals are more powerful because they get more support, said Neil Minow, vice chair of corporate governance consultancy Value Age Advisors, adding that recent regulatory change make it easier for activists and investors to nominate their own directors. There's a significant next step, and that is going to turn the head up on this conversation, Minow said. The company said in an update in July that it has created and is testing two new Charmin products, one made of plant-based fiber and another with mambo, efforts supported by environmentalists. The consumer products conglomerate has also vowed that by 2030 it will actively purchase wood pulp that meets certain criteria. A majority of investors 2 years ago backed a resolution by Green Century Capital Management Inc. calling on PNG to issue a report on how it could beef up efforts to eliminate deforestation and degradation in its supply chain. Last year, 2 years later, they have done basically nothing, said Jennifer Skene, a policy manager at NRDC. NRDC has support of two shareholders who are descendants of the founders of PNG, Christopher Mathers of New York and Justin Epstein of the San Francisco Bay Area in California. Mathers and Epstein told Reuters they had asked Mueller for a meeting, but as of Monday, they had not heard back. PNG is laser focused on shareholder flows and the value on the company from an asset perspective, Mathers said. The investment community sees it lagging behind to sustainability, Mathers said. Release rule as chair of the Governance and Public Responsibility Committee, which oversees environmental concerns including first try, have not succeeded in mitigating risk in PNG forest sourcing, the environmental group said. I think that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.